Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my pumpkin pie spice. For this recipe, you're going to need some ground cinnamon, ground cloves, ground ginger, and some ground nutmeg. Now, if you don't have ground cloves, you can substitute that with ground allspice. You can't tell much of a difference. Okay, so to make up the pumpkin pie spice, you're going to need 4 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon ginger, and half a teaspoon of cloves. Mix that together until everything is well combined. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. I used to always buy pumpkin pie spice until I realized it's so easy to make my own. And ever since I've been making my own, I haven't looked back. I can't remember the last time I bought pumpkin pie spice at the store. And it's just best if you make your own because you can make it fresh and you can just make the amount you need. You don't have to make a whole big batch and have it sitting there until next year. So yeah, it's just easy to make it yourself. You might be thinking, why make your own pumpkin pie spice when you can just buy it from the store? But I know for a lot of people it's not easily available, and plus it's made up of ingredients you most likely already have in your pantry. I like to store it in a little jar, and I have some in here that I already made. And to put it in a jar, I just like to put it on a paper plate and fold it a little bit, and that works like a charm. Well, I hope you try this one out and use it in your pumpkin pie recipe or any recipe that calls for pumpkin pie spice. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.